Keeping track of your website's uptime is key to ensuring it's always available to visitors, and A2 hosting makes that easy. While A2 hosting already has a strong uptime track record, it's smart to set up your own uptime monitoring. Start by using a free tool like Uptime Robot or Status Cake. Simply create an account, add your website's URL, and see the monitoring interval. 5 minutes is a good default. These tools will automatically ping your site and alert you via email or SMS if it goes offline. This way, you'll know the moment something's wrong and can react quickly, whether it's a plugin conflict, server issue, or something else. Inside our A2 hosting cPanel, we can also view logs and server metrics under the metrics or resource usage section. This gives you insight into CPU and RAM and bandwidth usage, which can help you detect if performance drops are tied to uptime issues. For business critical sites, consider upgrading to a managed VPS or turbo plan from A2 hosting. They come with higher uptime guarantees and better performance overall. Monitoring uptime gives you a peace of mind. And paired with A2's hosting reliability, it ensures your site stays live and loads fast. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your questions in the comments.